All right, gamers. Welcome back to my YouTube. We're gonna be showing Ica Realms hack client. I actually got banned, so I can't show you, but I recorded a video of everything all the hacks do, so we can talk over the video. Yeah. All right, we're loading up the game here. As clear as day could be. Oh, we got our little archer going, but we gonna show you in the tricks just first. We got a couple of hacks here. Let me stop and go over them. So we got Autonexus, we got No Clip, we got Teleport to Boss, toggles for Godmode, and Killaura. Let's watch how the fuck this shit work, right? Bing bang bow. We're gonna demonstrate No Clip first. You can No Clip into black tiles. So if there's a chest behind a wall that you want to get to, bro, No Clip into that shit. Light work. You know what I'm saying? Also, I thought I'd note this. Fuck Ica. Ica's a dirty Jew. I don't know if he's Jewish, but if he is, Netenyahu has you. You know, type shit. Here we showing out the kill aura range, toggle, boom. We got regular kill aura, boom. Now we got 1.25. Now we got 4 kill aura. Bang. We're fucking smacking. I'm pretty sure I'm about to show you Autonexus next. Autonexus doesn't work like insane Autonexus. Yep, you see me hovering over it there. Bang, I Autonexus. It's not going to save you from death. It's not. It's checking your health whenever it goes down. If you take too much damage to die, well then Goofy, you dying on bro grave. You also got your cool little toggle notifications up here on the right. Uh yeah. I think I die right here. I try to sit on a boss and see if my auto nexus works perfectly, but I don't think it does. Oh no, look, I'm about to show you teleport the quest. Goyams, the download link is in the description. You know the deal. Um Valor Hack Client, bro. Do you guys want Valor Hack Client? Valor is a dead game. Valor is a dead ass game. But let me know. Sung Chao Zhui!